Hello my dear students. Under Excel based practical in applied mathematics, we are going to do the formulas of average, median, mode and standard deviation. The formulas which we are doing is average. Average is the arithmetic mean. It is calculated by adding the group of numbers then dividing by the count of those numbers. And median will be the middlemost observation of the set of numbers. And mode is most frequently or repetitive value in the array of or range of data. And standard deviation is a measure of how widely values are dispersed from the average value or the mean. Now first of all we will see how to calculate mean, median, mode, standard deviation of the given data. Now we will be calculating mean, median, mode and standard deviation of the batsman of two scores. They are taken from NCERT book. I have created some table in which I am calculating mean, median and mode and standard deviation of the batsman of two score. So in order to calculate the mean of batsman A, mean score calculated by batsman A, so for this we will write in the cell equal to, for mean we apply the formula that is average, AVERAGE, and here we will pick bracket start and we will pick this series. So बैट्समैन ए के जितने भी स्कोर्स हैं आपने यहाँ से सिलेक्ट कर लिए और ये ब्रैकेट क्लोज कर दी, तो ये आपने एंटर कर दिया तो बैट्समैन ए का मीन आ गया. सिमिलरली जब बैट्समैन बी का हमें मीन कैलकुलेट करना है, सेम हम लगाएंगे AVERAGE bracket start. Now we'll select the score of batsman B, bracket close, and hence we will press enter. So 53 is mean score of batsman B. So for median we will write equal to MEDIAN bracket start. We will select the data, bracket close, and we will press enter. So median score is again 53 and median of batsman B, MEDIAN bracket start. Select the numbers of batsman B and press enter. Again surprisingly 53. So in order to calculate mode we will write equal to MODE bracket start. Again select the data, bracket close, mode is 30, and here MODE bracket start, select this data, bracket close, press enter, and mode is 53. So in order to calculate standard deviation, for standard deviation formula is equal to STDEV bracket start, and you select the numbers, score of batsman A, bracket close, press enter, and deviation of batsman B we will write equal to STDEV bracket start. You select the numbers of batsman B, scores of batsman B, bracket close, and you will press the enter, and this score represents the standard deviation of batsman B. You have calculated mean, median, mode, standard deviation of scores of two batsmen. अब ये देखें कि इसको डायग्रामेटिकली या ग्राफिकली डाटे को रिप्रेजेंट करना हो तो हम दोनों बैट्समैन के स्कोर को सिलेक्ट करेंगे. Now we'll go to insert. Now we'll press a histogram over here. So we'll draw a histogram. Now this histogram is showing the run scored by two batsmen first inning, the batsman A scored 30 marks and second batsman scored 53. This histogram representing the scores of two batsmen. अब अगर हमें इनका मीन, मोड, मीडियन एंड स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन को भी ग्राफिकली चेक करना हो तो कैसे करेंगे? इन सभी डाटे को सिलेक्ट कर लेंगे. अगेन यू विल गो टू इंसर्ट, देन प्रेस्ड 2D कॉलम एंड ये आपके पास देखिए ये ग्राफ आपका क्या शो कर रहा है. मीन दोनों का सेम था 53, मीडियन भी दोनों का सेम था. मोड पहले बैट्समैन का कितना आया 30 और सेकंड बैट्समैन का इट इज़ 53 एंड स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन of first is 38 and second is 4.3. Thank you so much.